What if your competition wasn't working harder? They were just working with better tools. This is the reality of 2025. AI isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's a strategic necessity. From automated workflows to intelligent marketing, the smartest businesses aren't growing by chance. They're growing by design, AI-powered design. Most people think AI is about replacing workers. But the real revolution, it's replacing waste. Wasted time, wasted resources, wasted decisions. AI streamlines everything inefficient, giving you back clarity, speed, and focus. The companies thriving today aren't firing, they're refining. What if you could brainstorm, write, edit, brand, design, and publish without hiring a single person? That's the new creative stack. AI gives solopreneurs the tools to outproduce entire teams. The barrier is no longer budget, it's imagination. What will you build when nothing is stopping you? AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's your unfair advantage if you know how to use it. While others fear disruption, innovators are using it to scale faster, think clearer, and lead better. The future belongs to those who are co-creating with machines, not competing against them. Imagine hiring a strategist, a copywriter, a designer, a researcher, and a virtual assistant instantly and all at once. That's what AI gives you. You're no longer limited by your team or your time. You're limited by your vision. Are you thinking big enough to match what these tools can do? The rise of AI doesn't mean human work is over. It means bad human work is over. Repetitive tasks, routine decisions, and busy work are being eliminated. What's left is higher-order thinking, empathy, leadership, and strategy. AI is trimming the noise so your true skills can shine. What if you could take every task that drains you and hand it off to something that never sleeps, never forgets, and never complains? AI tools are changing how high performers operate. Instead of scaling by working more, they're scaling by working differently. This is the new productivity model, and it's rewriting the rules. AI won't replace jobs. It will replace job descriptions. Your role tomorrow won't look like it does today. You'll manage systems, not spreadsheets. You'll build ideas, not decks. You'll make decisions faster, based on better data. And if you're not ready for that shift, someone else is. If your business isn't AI integrated by 2026, it may not be competitive by 2030. This isn't fear, it's fact. Efficiency, personalization, and speed are the new customer expectations. AI is the only way to meet them at scale. Waiting is no longer an option, it's a risk. Success used to be about knowing what to do. Now it's about knowing what to automate. From lead generation to customer service, AI tools are removing the need to manage everything. The best leaders today are not doing more. They're managing smarter systems. Are you? The AI revolution didn't just start, it already left the station. And those who jumped on board aren't just adapting, they're thriving. They're building faster, experimenting more, and creating results in days that used to take quarters, still watching from the sidelines. The people who fear AI are often the ones who don't understand it. And that misunderstanding leads to hesitation, which leads to missed opportunity. Learning to use AI isn't about keeping up with tech, it's about staying in the game, period. In every field, a new kind of professional is emerging. AI-enhanced, agile, and deeply strategic. These aren't coders, they're creators, entrepreneurs, and leaders who are learning to leverage AI, not build it. They're reshaping industries quietly and fast. You used to need teams, tools, and months to launch. Now you need curiosity, prompts, and 2 afternoons. AI has slashed time to market for product creators and digital entrepreneurs. If you have the idea, the rest can be generated, tested, and deployed in record time. What's stopping you now? Don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I make AI my teammate? Because it's not a battle between man and machine. It's a collaboration between intelligence and implementation. The smartest professionals aren't fighting AI, they're training it. The next generation of leaders will not be the most experienced, but the most adaptive. AI rewards those who move fast, learn fast, and test often. Old models of leadership, top-down, resistant to change, are fading. Are you evolving with the tools or being outpaced by them? You've heard of passive income. AI enables passive execution. Emails written, funnels built, research completed, designs created. While you sleep. It's not a dream, it's smart implementation. And it's already in motion. In the age of AI, human work must become more human. Connection, intuition, vision. These are the new power skills. Let AI handle the mechanics. Your job is to bring soul, story, and direction to the table. If you wait to become an expert, you'll wait forever. AI isn't about expertise. It's about experimentation. The fastest learners are the biggest winners. The market doesn't care how long you've been watching, it values who's building. What if you could turn every idea into a prototype in one afternoon? AI is collapsing timelines. You no longer need a team to test, design, write, or market. You need initiative, curiosity, and a willingness to learn by doing. That's the real edge in 2025. AI won't give you the right answer. It will give you a lot of answers. Your value? Knowing how to ask, refine, test, and choose. Critical thinking is no longer optional. It's the lens through which AI becomes useful or dangerous. The first question every modern business leader should ask: how can AI reduce my drag? From project delays to team inefficiencies, AI helps streamline friction points. The result? Clearer direction, faster action, better outcomes. That's how the top 1% operate. To learn more about AI, check out the link in the description, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.